In this video, we are going to talk about the first section of the IELTS listening. The first section is the easiest one. As I told you in the previous video, the section will be coming from very easy to very difficult. So each section is more difficult than the previous one. The first section will focus on a dialogue, a conversation between two people on the topic of everyday life. So you may find two people talking about a shop, a holiday, planning something such as a new holiday or a new trip. You may also find people talking about purchasing a car or a ticket for a museum. They may talk about an office or being at a shop. Again, this is a great preparation for you for your everyday life abroad, which can be working or studying, and it will give you the entire vocabulary that you will need in any everyday life situation. In the first section, you may find dates, data, numbers, factual information, prices, places, times. So you will need to focus on this very specific information when you will answer to the listening questions. We do not expect to find any technicalities, but very informal language and practical information, as I said. Other very important words that you may find are related to direction. So adverbs such as below, above, behind, right, left, in front, and also unit of measurement such as weight, length, and thickness. In the conversation, the information may be repeated twice. That's because there will be many pitfalls and the people in the conversation may be very indecisive. Let me give you an example. Mr. John Smith, I have your reservation here in hand, but can you confirm me that you were born on the 10th of January 2000 and want to leave for Paris at 10 tomorrow, 20th of January 2021? And Mr. John Smith replies, yes, I want to leave tomorrow at 10 a.m. on January the 20th, 2021. But no, I was not born on January the 10th, 2000, but January the 11th, 2001. As you can see from the example, the dates have been repeated many times. So do not write the first date that you hear, but listen for any pitfalls, any repetition, and write the final and correct date that has been reported. So what is the goal for the section 1? The goal for you is to listen carefully to the specific details and factual data, which are, as I previously mentioned, cost, places, names, dates, and some names of hotel as well or of people.